Good morning, friends. Now we will discuss about connection object. So, connection object is your technical master data. Connection object is usually a building, but can also be a piece of property or a facility, such as fountain or construction site. Since an address is allocated to a connection object, the connection object links premises, device locations, and connections to the postal regional structure. Integration. The connection object is a functional location from the plant maintenance application component. Therefore, maintenance is managed using the functions of the service management component. For example, if you wish to organize the repair and maintenance of devices at the connection object level, maintenance and repairs are built using the sales and distribution application component. Connection object data. The location data, maintenance plant, location descriptions, ABC indicator, plant maintenance, structure, maintenance planning plant, maintenance planning group, additional data, structure, equipment list, account assignment, general descriptions, processing status, notes, address, street, house number, postal code, city, political regional structure, attributes, regional structures group, authorizations group, premise. Definition. The premise is an enclosed spatial unit that is supplied with energy, for example, an apartment or factory. Use. A premise can have several utility installations. Since the premises is division independent, you can allocate electricity and water installations to the same premise. For example, the premise is allocated to a connection object and to the address of that connection object. For each premise, you can maintain the following fields. Additional street data enables you to manage additional information on the street name of the connection objects. You can also store different street names. Storage data helps field service employees to quickly identify premises. Premise data, location data, floor, room numbers, location description, attributes, premise type, owners, number of occupants, additional data, notes, updates. Connection object forms the link between the premise and the regional structures. Installations can comprise several installations to be built. Technical can be assigned to a device location. Installation. An installation groups together the devices registers and, if applicable, reference value that belongs to the same divisions and are allocated to the same premises and that are therefore built together, such as an on-peak and an on off-peak rate meters. An installation is allocated to one contract only. In exceptional cases such as an installation under construction or an installation without an owner, an installation is not allowed to a contract. Use. The billing relevant installation data is managed historically. This enables you to change the rate category within a billing period, for example, without any problems. In addition to division such as electricity, gas, and water, you can also allocate the waste management division to an installation. For more information, see the waste management component. To calculate charges that are not based on the measurements, reference values are used. These charges are made for the provision of the energy or water. The following types of reference values exist. General reference value, for example, location, value to be billed, indicator for billing relevancy. Street lights, for example, address, ownership, status, operations modes. The energy charges is calculated according to the burning hours calendar. Heating installation, for example, description, charging control, special agreements, containers. Installation data, process data, current premise, current business partners, current contract, control data, supply or consumptions, definition of base period, meter reading control, additional data, installation type, guarantee of supply, notes, update log. So all the data we maintain in the general data. In relationship, we maintain in billing rate category, rate data for device and registers, reference value, business partner conclusion of the contract with the premise business partner, regional structure linked by the premise and connection object, override default meter reading units. Point of delivery definition. Point to which a utility service is supplied or for which a utility service can be determined. Use. A point of delivery can be identified by a unique key called the point of delivery ID. This key is used for communication with external system. It ensures that the example misunderstanding and incorrect data allocation can be avoided even if a customer switches utility companies. Structure communication types. There are two communication types. Communications in the deregulated energy market. This refers to the communication between different utilities in a deregulated energy market. For example, distributors may exchange consumption information with the supplier. Technical communication refers to communications with an automated meter reading system. For example, this type of communication is used in the energy data management component ISU EDM for importing profiles value. Point of delivery data. Point of delivery ID structure category history, technical register, header data, description, point of delivery type, point of delivery roles, deregulation, installation, premise, service type, grid, distributor, settlement unit. Billing master data. This component manages the master data and basic setting that remains unchanged over a long period of time and that controls contract billing. Here you define the rate structures that contains the billing rules for the utility company. Managing tariffs. You store the billings rules for the utility companies in this component. The rate is the most important element of the billing. The appropriate rate is derived from the rate category and the rate type during the rate determination. A rate category is allocated to each utility installations. It contains data that can controls the cross-rate processing of meter reading data and billing. The data can be overridden by individual entries in the installation. The rate type establishes the rate allocation of the registers and is usually stored in the installation structure. It can also be stored in the rate category or in the installation. For example, in the case of flat rate installation, the graphic below illustrates the interaction between the different elements of the contract billing. Billing master data overview. Rate structure links the master data, rate type, rate category, rate definition, price, operands, schema, rate determination. So all these are your billing master data overview. Billing and invoicing business scenario. Budget billing, your maintain we maintain billing master data, then use of rates in the master data, then we do the billing, then we do the invoicing, and then we do the printout. Additional function discounts, surcharges, manual billings, sales statistics, special billing features. Thank you my friends for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. If you need any more input or more help, so you can do the comments in the comments box. So I will try to make another video relevant to your query or comments. If you need any personal assistance, you can contact me. So I will try to give you more input value if you need more things. So if you need personal assistance, also you can contact. If I will be available, so of course I will help to you. Thank you, my friends. Again, watching the video. Please like, share, and subscribe my channels.